Description: Nourishing, sulfate-free and highly concentrated, color continue conditioner helps extend the results of the in-salon ChromaTech Service by restoring hair's integrity. Benefits: Rebuilds the keratin structure to restore hair fiber and lock color within. Suggested use: After shampooing, apply from mid-length to ends. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse well. Argan oil. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins and essential fatty acids, this rare and precious oil has been used for centuries to nourish hair and skin. About the brand. Moroccanoil began with the iconic Moroccanoil Treatment and now offers a full line of argan oil-infused hair and body products. Signature scent. Memorable and addictive, the signature Moroccanoil scent is an iconic juxtaposition of spicy amber and musk with sweet florals. Inspiring a beautiful world. We believe that we have a responsibility to make a positive impact, from giving back to continuing our journey to become a more sustainable brand. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Love the condition of my hair after using, and it does not strip color. It actually enhances sheen.